Finished work. Whoa! Finished work. Finished work. Yes. Yes. It's been such a long week. I had my injection this morning. I had my whooping cough injection. Oh, done. I'm gonna finally go for a nap because my god, I do not feel too good. I'm gonna go for a nap. My arm's really hurting me, but I finished work. It's not the Sunday I was hoping for. Eh? Silly? Silly? Oh my god. She jumped out the window. Backstory from that last scene a minute ago. Happy Sunday. Came upstairs just to bring up some washing. And I leave the windows and I left it a little bit wider open than what I normally did upstairs. And Blossom's tried it before. She just sits on it and I'm like, oh my god, no. Luckily, there's a tiny ledge outside, the tiniest of ledges, and she just managed to fit on it. And she got outside, and I've never screamed for pain in such a distress before. I just dumped my washing and was like, oh my god. But yeah, she ended up clinging. Apparently I came in to get my shoes on. Step ladders, we don't have like any big ladders or anything. We've literally have painting ladders and that's it. Literally as I came in to put my shoes on and get something cushiony in case she decided to jump, she ended up on our little bit of like a escape route if there was ever to be like a fire or something. Gosh, touch wood, that never happens. God, I hate that. Touch wood, that never happens. Yeah, Ben was like, she literally just clawed across the wall of the house, and he was like, it's the most funniest but scariest thing ever. I can't believe it. I can't believe she did that. And was like knocking on our neighbour's door like, oh my god, like, do you have any bigger ladders? But they weren't in. And then as she decided to jump into the neighbour's garden, she just darted from a height. The neighbours turned up. I was like, oh my god. But she's in, she's safe, and I think I owe the cat some treats because we were trying to get her back into the window with some treats. So that was, I've never been so scared before. Spot treatment is on, retainers are in. Done my nails, got fresh bedding. I've also cleaned, it's actually dribbling. I'm trying to get rid of these spots. Actually cleaned washed my maternity pillow cover, and the zips decided to come off, so thank you Ben for trying to put that on. The week 26 has been hectic because of work. It's been okay headache wise, so that's really good. Watch me jinx myself for the week coming. And I haven't worked out at all this week because I just thought I need to get all my work done. So it's been not too bad. My stretch marks are getting really bad on my legs. Obviously I won't really show you because it's like bikini line area and all around there, so I just thought, yeah. but they're getting really bad. I feel like my thighs are just getting massive. Googled about it and apparently it is very, very common in pregnant women for your legs to get a lot bigger than what they usually are anyway. I've always had like really quite big thighs anyway, but I feel like they're getting bigger than usual. Apparently it's completely normal because you are carrying extra weight on the top, so that means that everything else will get bigger. I hate moths, and there's a freaking moth. Oh no, maybe I can't take myself seriously with this foot treatment on, so I'm going to shut up rambling now, get rid of this moth and go to bed and get ready for week 27 because it's my first week off. Oh my god, it's right. I'm going to end this vlog. Please remember to go subscribe, it means so much to me, and I'll see you for week 27.